the Stedi MS 104. So I was planning to build the Freedom Gundam version 2.0, and I needed a better pliers for plastic models. So I got this from Stedi. It's the Stedi MS 104. So you get the nipper, cover, this small thing, an Allen wrench, and a spare spring. Let's open it up. Thank you, Stedi. All right. So it's new. Wow, that smells fresh and it doesn't smell of COVID. Look at that. That's new. That's really new. Time for some cutting test. Let's do the cut. Look at that. Wow, that's clean. Look at that clean cut. Wow. 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 Look at that.